What's up, y'all? So, just chilling here in North Dakota in my room. Kind of messy, but laying down on my bed. Here's my room, a little bit of peek. So, doing some homework. So yeah, I got the lights off, but I got this light on, the little headlamp. Got my charger plugged in. It's pretty cool. Just doing my homework, you know, chilling. Everything's cool so far. This is like my fourth day here in North Dakota. Made some good friends, some good, buddies. Um, so yeah, sucks that I'm away from my family, but gotta do whatever gotta do to make the money. Um, yeah, but here's my homework. All this stuff, man. Well, not really this. This is more like packets, but I have all these different packets with answer sheets and stuff that I have to fill out, and they're all due within like 4 days and stuff. So, yep, that's pretty much my life, man. But this is it. So here's, as you can see, my sheet, my blanket. There's the TV. There's my the sink and stuff. It's pretty cool because what do you call that? Like every 2 or 3 days, they'll have like room service come in and clean out the room and stuff, and they won't touch your stuff, but they'll just like clean your bed, change your bed sheets and all that stuff. So it's pretty cool. But man, I really need like a hamper or something to put my laundry clothes, because there it is. Just can't really see it. It's a little dark, but it's underneath the AC. Oh, the AC just turned on. Can you hear it? So yeah, there you go, man. Chilling like a villain. Peace.